Hey everybody, it's Mike here at Find Your Cards with a box break of 14-15 Ultimate Memorabilia of the Vault and a bonus pack of 12-13 Certified. So first we'll do the bonus pack, then we'll carry on with the box. All randoms happen in the end, so we'll go from there. Before we get started, we're going to get the eBay current time up on screen. Not everybody catches it live, so we'll get it all checked in for them. Before I do that, I am just give me a second here. Had it all set up. A little bit of a slow delay on my part here. Alright, we are good to go. I thought I had it on the right page there. I wasn't quite ready. There we go. Alright, delay, make you all wait. We'll do a refresh, 21:41:25 Eastern Standard Time. Just make it building up the suspense. Here we go. First up, 12-13 Certified Pack. Also tonight, I'm going to have, for any team that doesn't get a hit in the break of this, I'm going to random off a pack of Heroes and Prospects between all the other teams, all the other spots. So we'll go from there. Oh, Jesus. It's a Garbutt. But it's an Emerald 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 for the Stars. Garbutt. Emerald rookie. Well, there's a start. All right, here we go. Now the big box. Let's roll. Let's see what we got tonight. Who we pulling? Who we pulling? First up, we got a 2-color in the numbers. This is a sweet one. For the Red Wings, we have Dominic Hasek. Hasek Red Wings in the numbers. That's a good start. And it's going to carry on here. We have number jersey emblem skate. Say hello, Nick, to none other than Mario Lemieux. We got ourselves a Mario. Super Mario Night. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. And to finish things up, we're going to finish it off with a good one here as well. For the Colorado Avalanche, we got a 2-color game used jersey. For the Avs, Patrick Waugh. Waugh for the Avs. That's a nice box. Nice box again. Real solid solid 90s, I guess I should say 80s, 90s players. Sweet box, nice. Alright, now I'm going to do the random for the Heroes and Prospects pack here. So I just have, give me a second as I remove the teams that got hits. As I sing away, guys, poor you guys. At least I'm not really singing, that'd be much worse. And last one removed. Alright, teams are removed. Remaining teams are set up in random. Here we go. Random off the Heroes and Prospect pack. Alright, 3 times. Team on top. This pack's for you. We'll bust it open. 1, 2, and 3. New York Rangers. So Rangers, here we go. Extra pack, bust up. See if we got something in here. Maybe we got McDavid. Wouldn't that be the case, eh? For the Rangers. We've already had a Bo Horvat auto. Hopefully we got something. That's usually my main goal. Ho ho. Nice. We have a nice hit here. We got a 10th anniversary Heroes and Prospects. 2-color. 12-13. Jonathan Drouin. Nice. And it's numbered 1 out of 60. For the Rangers. Alright, that's a good way to wrap that one up. As always, thanks. Always enjoy you joining me for the breaks. It's Mike here at Find Your Cards. Stay tuned for 08, 09 SPX.